Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to fill data in Excel without dragging. Okay. First of all, type on, go to Home tab, Fill, Series, Column. Step 1 example selected. Now click OK. Again, Ctrl C for copy, Ctrl V for paste. Select double rows, hold Alt, double click to autofill. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.